You need to start with a square napkin. Fold it in half, then add a square of tinfoil and fold it in half again. Now fold one side to the center and the other. And fold those pieces in again so you have a long piece. Take the point and fold it back to the end and then form a turkey neck and a head. There you go. Now we need some turkey feathers. Starting with a square napkin, fold it in half, then fold it in half again. Now start to accordion pleat and fold that in half. There are the turkey feathers. Place the turkey feathers inside the turkey and pin where the folds come together. And there you got a cute little turkey. Starting with a square napkin, fold it into a triangle. Fold one side in and the other side in, making a diamond. Now fold the two ends in and fold down the little tiny pieces. And there's your cornucopia. So cute. Stuff it with whatever you want. Starting with a square, fold in the two corners and flip that over. Fold halfway up and fold that down again. Kind of looks like a hat. Now starting at the middle, fold those flaps up. And flip it over again. Now fold it in half. And starting at the middle, accordion pleat. Flip it over again and accordion pleat the other side. Now using a rubber band the bottom to keep everything together and pull out your leaf. I added a piece of ribbon just to hide the rubber band, tied it in a little knot and stuffed it in the back. Don't they look really pretty on the table? There's the little turkey. And the simple yet beautiful leaf. And of course, the cornucopia.